Thank you for joining Wars of the Rosies, and this is Clouded Canopy from the Encyclopedia of Freemasonry by Albert G. Mackey. Clouded Canopy. The clouded canopy, or starry-decked heaven, is a symbol of the first degree, and is of such important significance that Lenning calls it a fundamental symbol of Freemasonry. In the lectures of the York Rite, the clouded canopy is described as the covering of the lodge, teaching us, as Krause says, that the primitive lodge is confined within no shut-up building, but that it is universal and reaches to heaven, and especially teaching that in every clime under heaven Freemasonry has its seat. And Godicki says, every Freemason knows that by the clouded canopy we mean the heavens, and it teaches how widely extended is our sphere of usefulness. There is no portion of the inhabited world in which our labor cannot be carried forward, as there is no portion of the globe without its clouded canopy. Hence, then, the German interpretation of the symbol is that it denotes the universality of Freemasonry, an interpretation that does not precisely accord with the English and American systems, in which the doctrine of universality is symbolized by the form and extent of the lodge. The clouded canopy as the covering of the lodge seems rather to teach the doctrine of aspiration for a higher sphere. It is thus defined in this work under the head of covering of the lodge, which see. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to share, like, subscribe, and comment. And if you can, please consider donating to Wars of the Rosies. Links to PayPal and Patreon are in the description. Thank you so very much.